In this episode of I Tried It, we're going to test this side hustle that claims that we can make $1.60 every minute just by watching ads. I'm going to walk you through the entire process. I'm going to talk about some things where I think aren't logical or possible, and then at the end I'm going to reveal how much money I actually made and other opportunities to make money. So if you've seen this video, if you've tried this type of content before and it didn't work for you, watch this entire video. Hi, my name is Alston Godbolt with alstongodbolt.com. I create content to actually help you make money online and not just to put money into my own pockets. And if you want to be added to the globe, comment down below with your city, state, zip code, province, or country, and I'll get you pinned. So as I mentioned, I watched this video that claims that we can make $1.60 simply by watching ads. It tells us to go to this website and all we got to do is turn on the ads and click a few buttons, and before you know it, we have made $1.60. Now let's go ahead and take a look at the main page of this website. Now I'm going to have my video editor blur out the website because I don't want you to see it. I'll tell you at the end of the video why I don't want you to see it, but he's going to blur it out. According to this website, you can see here that you can make essentially money just getting paid to click. You are going to go to a web page within this website. You are going to click to watch an ad, and then you're going to have to select an icon. And when you select that icon and click continue, you essentially get paid. It's not any more difficult than that. Now, if we take a look at this web page, the one thing that I'm always curious about, and I've got a theory about it, is why are the payouts so low? This payout right here from CryptoSoar is $1.10. The top earners in the last 48 hours are 0.61684, so less than $1. The top earner has earned less than $1, and we don't even know if this is real money. And so my question always is, if this is such a good opportunity, why are the payouts so low? Now, I believe, and this might be a conspiracy theory, but the reason why the payouts are so low is because they want you to think that you're able to actually make money. But they're just high enough where you're going to do all of this effort helping them make more money, but then you're going to quit and not actually pay it out. So that is just a conspiracy theory of mine. I'm always concerned when I see the payouts are ridiculously low like this. And if we scroll down even further, you can see there are over 777,000 people registered, 500 registered yesterday. The total amount earned is $226,000. And they only paid out $51.47 yesterday. This isn't something to brag about, by the way. I wouldn't put out there that you only paid out $51.46. Essentially, if we do the math, each person that signed up yesterday made like a nickel, if that. Check my math on that, but look at this. This isn't something to brag about. This isn't the flex that you think it is, quite honestly. Anyways, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to log in, and it's really simple. You are supposed to, once you get to the site, again, I'm going to have my video editor block it out. I'll tell you in just a moment. But if we look at this site here, you're essentially just going to make money going to ads. You're going to click on earn, you're going to click on view ads. Now, I had done this a little bit earlier today, so I am no longer able to make money, which is another concern of mine. But you can see up here in the top corner that clicking on ads, I made a total of 2 cents, 0.02427 cents. Now, one thing that the original content creator suggests that we do is we get additional BAP points. Now, in order to get more BAP points, you can do little micro tasks, but of course those run out. And what you'll have to do eventually is buy more BAP ads. So in order to make any decent money with this, you're going to have to spend money. And so if we're limited on cash, and really the only people that are probably doing this type of stuff are people that are limited on cash. If you don't have a lot of money, you should definitely not be spending the money that you have to buy more BAPs in order to earn more with these silly little surveys. So again, usually there's 3 columns here. This middle column, I am no longer able to earn cash by clicking on ads. As you can see, I've got to click on these offers and it wants me to potentially spend money. If I come back to view ads and I try and do these other things like do these offers, it will throw an error, offer expired. So I did this, and actually one really cool thing is I've got a recording of exactly what I did. I'll have my video editor play that right now so you can see exactly what I did in order to earn the pennies, little pennies on the dollar. All right, so as you can see, I went through and I tried to earn as much money as I could simply watching an ad, clicking on an icon, and then going on to the next one. As you can see, it runs out. You no longer earn any money. And what you have to do is try and get more BAPs, and you can do that by going through these that expire after 9 hours, or you can buy them. In all honesty, This is not worth your time. Okay. I spent probably maybe 20 minutes doing this to earn 0.02 cents. In the time that it took me, the 30 minutes plus, I had received payments for different memberships that I have created. I received a payment for a software company that I'd started. Doing things that are going to actually put money into your pocket is what you should be focused on. A lot of people will say, hey, but this pays me money. Think about the time that you're wasting in order to make the pennies on the dollar. You essentially could go get a part-time job at McDonald's and it would pay you more in the 30 minutes that it would take you to watch these ads. This isn't active income because you have to select the icons in order to receive money. There's absolutely zero value in the original content the content creator put up. There's zero value in going to these sites and helping other people make money and helping other people become rich, because as you can see, they're getting hundreds of thousands of people to sign up. They're not really paying anybody out, but they're making money from these different advertisers. That's how they're making money. And anybody that tells you to do this does not have your best interest in mind. What I recommend that you do is simply create unique original content and stuff that you're interested in. You are going to identify problems that you've solved recently and you're going to create content about it. There is literally space for everyone. As long as you create content that's helpful and solves a problem, you can monetize it. Well, someone will say, well, Alston, I can make videos and not make any money. Would you rather make 2 cents a day for the rest of your life, or would you rather make content and give yourself a chance to make hundreds of dollars per day? Now, the problem is when you make content, you're not going to get paid immediately unless you're making content for someone else. You have to be consistent and persistent. Create content for 6 months, but don't just create content, improve, and don't just make bad content. Commit yourself to getting 1% better. Oftentimes when I tell people, hey, you need to create content, I'll have someone say, well, I've been creating content for 6 months. When I look at their content, they have been inconsistent. So they're maybe doing 1 video here, 2 videos the next week, 3 videos, and then back down to not doing any, or they're making poor AI content. That's not going to put money into your pocket in 2024. That might have worked 10 years ago, but it doesn't work anymore because there's so many people creating content. The customer doesn't have to watch your content anymore. So I would urge you to go out and create unique original content. The other question that I get all the time is, will it work in my country? The answer is there one person in your country that is making money doing what you want to do? If the answer is yes, then it will work for you. As long as you have an internet connection, as long as you can use your phone, you can make money online. My guess is you're watching me on the internet, so you can make money online. It takes consistency, it takes persistence over a sustained period of time. You've got to commit to being 1% better. You've got to commit to creating better content. You've got to commit to becoming a better marketer. Once you make those commitments, then you'll be able to put money into your pocket. So the reason in the very beginning I didn't want to share the name of the website or the logo is simply because I don't want to contribute to people wasting their time. I don't want to contribute to people not making money. My content is all about trying to help you make real money, and I consider real money $100 per day, $200 per day and up. And this type of content, this website is not going to help you do that. Again, people will say, well, why don't you put the link in? Because I don't want you to waste your time. I actually want to help you be successful. This website is not going to do that, so I don't want to share it with you. I mean, I could be like all of these other content creators and put the link in and earn affiliate commissions, but I wouldn't be able to sleep at night. I wouldn't feel comfortable making money in this type of way, knowing that I'm contributing to other people's desperation and I'm feeding off that and I'm making money. I would not feel comfortable sleeping at night doing that. So I'm not going to share the link. There are plenty of other websites out there that are not helpful and will not ultimately help you make money. Go check those out if you want to learn how to make 2 cents every 30 minutes. A far cry from $1.60. I mean, if we just did the math, if you made $1 every 60 minutes, that'd put you at $60 per hour. If you did that for 10 hours, that would put you at $600. Can you make $600 per day on this type of website? Ask yourself logically, would someone pay you $600 every single day to click ads? The answer is no. It's not logical, but people make decisions based on emotion. And that's why you have 500,000+ people that have signed up. So now that you know that this website will not work and the original content creator is just wasting your time, watch this video next because it is a free 5-hour masterclass on how you can monetize social media.